咧一起步嘅時候啊，咁啊都算係平排躍出啊，班霸實力啊慢咗少少嘅二檔嗰匹啊。好啦，前面快嘛，安請擺咗喺前面走喎。咁啊見到外邊呢，愛提村啦，最出仲有隻南家名城啊。咁啊大約第4位啦。咁啊內欄位置啊歌利巨人啊，中間白鼻箍，咁啊淺黃衫咧仲有遠飛標槍啦，外邊淺藍衫白帽係同工之妙啊。後邊嗰幾匹馬啦，分別有名城潮流啦，大約內欄尾4係智取神區啊。咁啊再見到中間呢，仲有啲就係班霸實力啊。後邊嘅一對啦，分別有埋邊有目共賞啊，外邊呢，就係嗰隻嘉應傳承嚟㗎。好啦，啱啱轉呢個馬房灣嘅時候啦，前面放頭嘅馬匹呢，就係嗰隻南家名城嚟嘅喎，跟住響呢個愛提村嚟嘅喎，南家名城就埋咗嚟呢個第2位啊。再見到第3位埋邊有安請啦，外邊名城潮流走咗上去啊，中間第5位就同工之妙啦。咁啊再見到內欄第6嘅馬呢，咁啊仲有歌利巨人啊，後邊嗰5匹馬遠飛標槍自取神區啊，班霸實力仲響尾3啊，暫時殿後一對馬分別係有目共賞同埋嘉應傳承嚟㗎。開始跑對面直路啦，前面順方係愛提村啊，跟住喺第2位就南家名城啦，外邊名城潮流走咗上去啊，咁啊再見到內欄第4位嘅馬呢，仲有安請啦，中間第5位仲有歌利巨人啊，外邊嘅馬匹係呢隻同工之妙嚟㗎，咁啊再見到啦，後多層就係遠飛標槍白鼻箍，咁啊大約喺個尾5嘅位置㗎，後邊嘅4匹馬分別係智取神區班霸實力啊，尾二位置仲係有目共賞啊，暫時殿後係嘉應傳承嚟㗎。好啦，咁啊轉香港體育學院彎嘅時候咯喎，前面放嘅馬呢，名城潮流走咗出嚟啊，外邊南家名城都跟佢一齊上咗去啊，咁啊再見到大約跟住個第3位埋邊位置係愛提村啦，第4位嘅馬呢，仲有歌利巨人啦響外邊啊，後多層內欄安請啦，出邊白鼻箍仲有遠飛標槍啊，鬥出邊上有班霸實力，後邊3隻自取神區有目共賞粉紅帽大外檔係嘉應傳承入正最後直路，前面透出嘅馬仲係呢隻咧名城潮流啊，但係南家名城開始上嚟啊，偷入邊上有歌利巨人啊，中檔冚嘅馬就係同工之妙，外邊嘅馬匹仲有遠飛標槍，大外檔仲有班霸實力，最後200米透出係同工之妙，遠飛標槍開始上嚟追佢，出邊仲有班霸實力，最後100米都呢同工之妙依然係接先贏出今屆浪琴香港瓶啊，跑第2名。遠飛標槍，第3名就比較近啦，埋邊有歌利巨人，出邊係班霸實力啊！結果今場賽事呢隻同工之妙，其實鬥到嚟最後200零米嘅時候呢，都受到後邊嘅馬匹呢強烈挑戰啊！首先上嚟嘅馬有遠飛標槍，咁啊亦都係上屆呢項香港瓶嘅盟主啦，一路追上嚟都相當勁啊！埋邊有歌利巨人，出邊係班霸實力。今年嘅浪琴香港瓶嘅得主係同工之妙。
He's a very smart horse. That was almost fully expected today, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing. You ride a 3 jump from Mr. Fab and a real 3 jump. So with Finchire, Jake Corazzi, we know before the race we have the horse for win. He went really good the last time in the Peter of Dotinoff. He beat Giamarito. And Giamarito win last year in the Don Canvas. So we know we have the horse for win. This is the first time for him he traveled like that. He stayed all the time in French, or he went one time in England, but this is the first time for him he traveled like that. And in the morning he was really relaxed and really good in the mortality. So yeah, everything it's really good. Yeah.
And when you look at his form this season, Maxime, I mean, he's got some top-class form in the Dispahan and the Gannet, and he's running all the top races, and he's acquitting himself very well.
Yeah, exactly. You know, he win. Before this year, he won only 2004. He finished third in the British Jockey Club, so distance 2000. And this year he won on 18, he won on 2000, and today he won on 2004, so he can do everything. He's very easy to ride, very quiet, and he win the soft ground on the good one today. He can do everything. So when you ride a horse like that, it's very amazing.
Maxime, how does this win feel for you now? Because you're here in Hong Kong for a little while still. Obviously, you're here for a stint. Is it a different feeling winning instead of just flying in, flying out? I mean, you're here on a bit more permanent basis now.
Yeah, you know, I came 15 years ago in Hong Kong. I stayed 3 months or so in the winter, and I do the same this winter. I go back to France after the first match So I stayed 3 months in Hong Kong, and it's a little bit not new because I come already, but many new trainers come in Hong Kong. So I'm really happy to win this race today, the big race. I'm here at 2 weeks, and I didn't won the race yet, but now it's okay. I'll start, so I hope the trainer show me today and give me the good chance for winning the races in the future.
I'm sure they will. And tell me the sense of pride in wearing these colours. I mean, rarely do we watch a race in France where we don't see the Wertheimer silks on show. It must give you immense pride to win another big Group 1, international Group 1 for those owners.
Yes, of course. This is the first time for Pierre-Yves Bureau coming in Hong Kong. We win with Janko 2 years ago, but he's not here. And yes, for sure, it's good for all the team, to win the Group 1 in Hong Kong or in Dubai or something like that. All the trainers in the world and the owner in the world watch this race. So this race is that's really important for the team.
He's only a 4-year-old. We might see him again next year, might we?
Yeah. So we will see what's happening now, but yeah.
Merci, many congratulations, well done.
隨時起步，歡呼聲啊！好，你一開閘嘅時候，由於做人有少少片咗出去包咗落尾啊！好啦，家英高升，相當快閘啊，擺咗喺前面添啊，氣勢第2位啊，外邊有紅馬路啦，但係第4位咧埋邊位置係舉步生風啊，出邊第5位有美麗第1啦，第6位嘅嘛就係呢隻好有心得啊，內欄第7就李健夢境啊，響外邊咧仲開心寶寶啊，後邊嗰5匹馬啦，分別係驕陽明區精選步選啦，金鑽貴人響尾3啊，尾2位置咧就嗰隻幸運有利啊，咁啊封咗安幕嗰隻咧就係樂於助人嚟香港包尾㗎。好啦，轉彎入直路嘅時候啦，前面家英高職一馬當先擺咗喺前面放啊，咬咗上嚟第2位咧就舉步生風眼罩嗰匹啊，再見到內欄嗰邊啊李健夢境精選步選啊，攞出嚟中檔有氣勢啊，外邊追美麗第1大個檔驕陽明區，仲有金鑽貴人啊，最後200米咁啦，家英高職搖下拋離後面嘅對手最少3個馬位啊，後面舉步生風喺第2位，進佔第3位，精選步選外邊追上嚟係驕陽明區，金鑽貴人都有份衝，接近終點，家英高職，我哋咁把和啊，真係贏到後邊甩晒啦！上場賽事已經翻到嚟香港，交出相當好嘅表現啊！嚟到今場戲肉浪琴香港短途錦標啊，咁啊已經係呢匹馬出道以嚟贏取第17場嘅頭馬。如果計到連勝啊，計埋珠峰遠征澳洲嗰場呢，咁啊已經16連勝。今場賽事咁啊入到直路300米度，輕輕搖幾步，彈埋正腳出嚟拋甩贏馬，跑第2名精選步選。第3呢，姚影啊，埋邊舉步生風，出邊係金鑽貴人啊！
Yeah, it was what everyone was hoping to see here on a big day on time. And his last run showed us that it was on the cards today. He drew the right gate. When the barrier came out, they said, "What do you think?" And I said, "He win by further."
He just toys with them, really. I mean, in all due respect to those behind him, they're very good horses. I mean, they just couldn't have a glove on him today.
He's just in a lead of his own now, and not only do that extra work into the first corner from a wide gate to try and get forward. Really helped him. Obviously, the inside of the track's off. Track price was a concern going into the race, but he travelled beautifully throughout, and I just made sure I came out to the end of his race.
I think a league of his own is a fair summary indeed. Zach, I know you're a busy man. I'll let you go. Many congratulations. We'll lift the mic up a little bit for David Hayes. David, many congratulations, and your star horse has produced a star performance there. It's what we all came to see, and that was magnificent.
Yeah, I was just relieved he didn't let our expectations down and the public's expectations. He just was superb today, and the messages he was sending the week of the race suggested he'd do something like that. We're not running fast times today, but he did a lot faster than the other races.
And I suppose on that angle, I mean, the fact that Zach just lets him sort of throttle down in the last 100 yards means he certainly could run time if needed, but that's not the case.
Yeah, well, we're hoping he's got another 20 races in him, so, you know, you can only win once, and I think that on the eye, that was a spectacular win as he's done, and as you said earlier, you know, the Royal Ascot form was in the race, great Japanese form in the race, from Dubai and the Breeders' Cup. So they're probably the best sprinters around. He's making them look ordinary, and I can assure you they're not.
No, absolutely, very well said. You mentioned 20 more races. We hope there's 20 plus more races, but I guess the next two are the most crucial.
Yeah, look, one that equals the Great Simon Peterson's record, and two breaks, and so every time he runs, there's something significant he has to do, but he handles it so well.
I know we talk plenty, obviously he has won plenty, so hence that you and I are on first name terms for sure when it comes to these interviews, but every race is different with him, isn't it? Like, I mean, I know you fully a lot is expected, but he just seems to be a different angle, and he just seems to go to a new level every time, doesn't he?
He really does. You know, he's a lot heavier and stronger now, so physically he's really improving, and it's showing on the track. But you know, the great thing about him, he doesn't have to lead. But today, Zach wanted to take all the risk out of it so he could get off the fence, and that's another string to his bow. He can go and keep going.
And that's where having a guy like Zach on board, I guess, is obviously paramount, isn't it? As well?
Yeah, I won't give Zach instructions. He works it out.
Indeed. And you made no secret, obviously, you're working sort of back, I suppose, from next year's Everest. How does the sort of the roadmap, the plan look for him now going forward?
Yeah, he'll be set for the fantastic Hong Kong Triple Crown again. It'll be fun to see him out at 1400, which he did last year, and then all systems towards the big sprint, international sprint here, and then he'll be going to the Everest. So let's hope he's sound and well. But if he's in the form he was today, he'd love to take those Aussies on again.
He certainly would, I'm sure he would. Right, smile indeed. And as these races have progressed, the wins have continued to come, and the Kayak Syndicate enjoy them thoroughly, I'm sure, and you and Zach and all your team. The pressure, does it get any worse? Does the stress levels elevate any for you or not?
I think I did it a bit better than last year. He hadn't won a Group 1, now he's won 6, and he's ran in 6 in 1 hole. When the second favourite's 33-1, it's just hope that he gets the job done, because the market says he will, but it doesn't always happen.
No, for sure. Well, as far as years go, that's a pretty good one, isn't it? Very well done.
Thank you.
好，嚟日開閘嘅時候，巧手生花淺藍衫唔算好快喎，外邊嗰匹啊，好啦，前面快噶嘛，和平波啦，中間有鴻運帝王港邊小區啊，外邊遨遊氣泡響過第2位到啦，咁啊再後多層啊嘛啦，內欄大約咧就第5位就合夥奔馳啦，中間第6位紅衫係竹園啊，後多層啊嘛，出邊呢仲有神智勇進啦，咁啊巧手生花淺藍衫啦，內欄橙衫陽光勇士啊，後邊嗰5匹馬啦，美麗同享標誌銀河暫時響尾4啊，再後邊嗰3匹馬啦，分別有東貴斯啦、晉偉提啦，暫時殿後嘅馬匹係手機標霸嚟㗎。好啦，過呢個1000米嘅段處啦，外邊呢和平波慢慢走咗上嚟啊，中間有遨遊氣泡啊，埋邊有合夥奔馳啦，神智勇進外邊亦都走咗上去第3啊，第5位嘅馬仲有港邊小區啦，內欄第6位啫，仲有陽光勇士橙衫嘅，出邊係鴻運帝王啊，馬林中間紅衫粉紅帽係竹園啊，響外邊呢仲有巧手生花，尾5響外邊呢黃藍格仔衫嗰隻呢就標誌銀河啊，後邊嘅馬手機標霸美麗同響東貴斯啊，內欄包咗落尾係晉偉提啊，入直路嘅時候，前面透出嘅馬仲係和平波遨遊氣泡，第一隻上嚟挑戰啊，外邊位置仲有神智勇進，偷入邊上有晉偉提喎，外邊冚上嚟係標誌銀河，中間位置仲有鴻運帝王同埋竹園啊，最後100零米神智勇進透出咗，埋邊遨遊氣泡啊，中檔位置港邊小區追，外邊仲有鴻運帝王，出邊係竹園，最後100米到遨遊氣泡上翻嚟，終點前將神智勇進趕過埋，贏出今屆浪琴香港1哩錦標啊！睇翻遨遊氣泡臨尾嘅姿態，最後100零米，以為神智勇進外邊冚上嚟嘅時候啊，遨遊氣泡交出強橫嘅鬥心喺入邊傳翻上嚟啊！而呢匹遨遊氣泡繼上季成為3冠長途王之後，嚟到今季第3個回合啊，咁啊結果輕鬆順利贏出呢場浪琴1哩錦標啊！
Many congratulations once again. I was pretty confident we'd speak at least once today, but not surprised we're speaking again on the back of Boys Bubble breaking the heart of Soul Rush another year on here at the Hong Kong Mile. A huge win. What a horse.
I suppose he exacted revenge, the romantic identity to buy him in some respects, but Yeah, that was just the 2000 meters back to 1600. He was just a little bit dour. But when Soul Rush couldn't put me away, I could feel my horse start to gain a little bit more confidence. And so 35 minutes to go, I started to think, hang on, we're back in this.
He certainly was back in it in no uncertain terms. You said to me out the course there that he is, and I think it's a very fair comment, that he's living in the shadow of two greats, one we're about to see and one we've already seen win so magnificently. I mean, you must feel for the horse a little bit in that respect, but the fact he's won so many Group 1s, he's won so many big races, he's been a marvellous horse, hasn't he?
He has, and I think when we reflect back upon all the great horses that have been in Hong Kong, he's certainly going to be remembered in the way that he should. He's simply his outstanding winning the Triple Crown. Haven't been done for 30 odd years or something. And to come out and go back to back in Hong Kong, not an easy thing to do, and he's done it. Showing the heart that he's got, the courage as well.
And a word for Ricky Yu, because I mean he would have had potentially 3 options, let's say, on a day like today, but bringing him back to the mile in a decent sized field, any number of chances, it's testament to his ability as a trainer, isn't it?
Yeah, of course, Ricky's handled the horse extremely well all the way through. I rode in his first win over 1200 metres and haven't really had much of a chance on him since. So it's said to Ricky, it's great to finally get a Group 1 on his back as well. But, the ownership group is an amazing group of owners. They're lovely, kind people, and even when I wasn't riding the horse, they were always inviting me along to things that they had, and played golf with them a couple of weeks ago. So it's when you win for owners like that, it's a little bit more satisfying because they are genuine people, and it's a complex journey for everyone.
Well said, Zach. I'm sure they'll enjoy it. I'll let you go, because I know you've got to prepare for later races. Let's bring Ricky Yu.
恭喜晒不公啊！澳遊氣泡成功衛冕香港1哩錦標啊！呢一場喺直路上面，佢同陳少全鬥非常之難睇。其實嗰陣時你自己嘅心情係點嘅咧？
都有啲失落嘅，因為嗰隻馬都唔講得笑係嘛。咁但係都仲騎得好，由一出閘到翻到嚟都係騎得好定，都好似騎咗呢隻馬好多次咁樣係嘛？最撚尾佢好似波箱嗰度揾多咗個波，即係再kick一kick咁啊，所以就贏咗少少。
澳遊氣泡上一場跑完馬會杯之後，決定出翻嚟千六位啦。喺部署或者喺訓練上，其實有冇或者一啲特別嘅針對性部署，即係訓練嚟嘅隻馬係跑翻千六位？
都最主要係 keep 佢開心啲 happy 咁樣就處理佢啲啊，就因為佢已經係跑緊2000咧，我哋唔想佢攰咗嚟跑呢場。再 keep 住佢一路有啲新鮮感啊，咁樣做操練就冇咩大致變化。
上屆佢就抽5檔贏出香港1哩錦標，今屆就抽12檔。其實抽檔位嗰陣時，你自己一望到個12檔，你個心情係點想？
如果呢個再揀咧，開片同埋片咧，我隨先揀開片啊。但係碰到呢啲頂級騎師咧就。咩檔位都我哋應該可以克服到嘅。
今屆嘅心情同上屆嘅心情咧，其實有冇啲唔同咧？你自己講？
有少少唔同啦，因為佢上次輸過巴黎2，咁喺外國翻嚟我覺得就可能唔好啦咁所以都。啲咁多同第一次比較少少。
嚟緊澳遊氣泡嘅部署係咪就係想力爭再做一次3換馬？
都希望跟翻舊年嗰個步伐。
騎師人選方面係最關注好多馬迷都。
係啊，嗰個就嚴格嚟講咧，就要或者再同馬主商量下啦。
再次恭喜曬輝哥，恭喜曬 ，thank you。
隨時起步。好，你一開閘嘅時候，大家都平排躍出啊！快少少，外邊禪聖輝煌啊！咁啊，再見到中檔走咗上去嘅馬呢，有寶來歌劇啊！外邊呢就明醫啦，大約跟住個第4位就係浪漫勇士啊！後邊嗰3匹馬分別有直線力山啦、健身心啦，暫時殿後係利心名媛嚟嘅。好啦，轉呢個馬房灣咯，前面放咗出嚟跑嘅馬就禪聖輝煌啊！外邊走上去第2位係明醫啊，埋邊第3位嘅馬呢仲有寶來歌劇啦，浪漫勇士外邊嘅第4位啊！ 後邊3匹馬分別有健身心啦、直線力山啦，暫時殿後仍然係嗰匹利心名媛嚟㗎。好啦，過1400米嘅段處啦，外邊走咗上去帶咗出嚟跑喎，名醫嚟㗎。埋邊嘅第2位係禪聖輝煌啊，再見到第3位啦，浪漫勇士上咗去啦，埋邊嘅第4位仲有寶來歌劇啊，第5位外邊健身心啊，後邊2匹馬分別係直線力山同埋咧佢隻利心名媛啊，響佢外邊㗎。好啦，接近呢個咧就係1000米嘅段處啦，次序上都冇咩特別大嘅喐動嘅，名醫咁啊順利就放咗出嚟跑嘅，禪聖輝煌啊第2位，浪漫勇士依然係咬住個第3啊，埋邊有寶來歌劇啊第4位啦，外邊藍衫第5位嘅馬有健身心啊，後邊2匹馬仍然係直線力山啦，利心名媛暫時仍然係殿後啊。好啦，轉緊彎中間啊，前面放嘅話仲係名醫嚟嘅，禪聖輝煌跟住第2位，浪漫勇士第3，中檔第4，寶來歌劇埋邊直線力山啊，外邊冚上去喎，有利心名媛啊，褪咗喺後邊係健身心嚟㗎。好啦，轉彎入直路嘅時候啊，咁啊見到外邊浪漫勇士開始發力推進㗎啦，響埋邊位置有禪聖輝煌，數入去有名醫，內欄嗰邊有直線力山，後多層啊嘛，仲有寶來歌劇啊，最後200米浪漫勇士蝕落去一比就有啊，拋離後邊嘅對手㗎啦，見到埋邊禪聖輝煌仲有啲喎，出邊係寶來歌劇啊，最後100米浪漫勇士相當輕鬆姿態贏出呢場浪琴香港杯啊，第2名啊嘛，寶來歌劇啊，今場賽事咁啊呢隻浪漫勇士都認真厲害啦，上場係休息超過7個月嘅時間，翻到嚟香港先攻下中銀香港馬會杯，再嚟到戲肉今場浪琴香港杯，一樣以一個相當輕鬆嘅姿態擊敗對手啊！雖然就去到7歲，將近轉歲去到8歲啦，但係仍然勇不可擋啊！咁啊，浪漫勇士絕對係香港另一匹嘅傳奇馬王。
恭喜晒你浪漫勇士破紀錄4奪浪琴香港杯冠軍啦！先講下你嘅感受啊！
有壓力，真係有壓力嘅呢次，我覺得，因為之前係贏咗嘉應高升，又贏埋北部啦啲旅遊氣泡，咁令到我哋呢場我哋都係有壓力嘅真係，又加埋如果係贏咗第4場，創造歷史啦咁樣係有壓力嘅，係咯。
同埋浪漫勇士可以話即係之前因為受嗰啲傷患嘅佢而震咗成排嘅戲，當然佢上一場贏得非常精彩嘅，其實都會唔會仲係話完全適場嘅健康嚟嘅咧賽前？
我諗健康係又好穩定嘅，不過你要隨住佢嘅年紀咧，即係大家都要知道馬真係隨住，即係我哋覺得佢自己覺得唔係8歲啫啦，我哋知道佢真係8歲啦已經係，即係隨住佢嘅年紀啦，佢有我今日睇到係就算琴日去晏晝係咪上 schooling 咧，我都覺得佢開始有少少，即係有少少可能，咦冇以前咁活躍啦，好似嘅，即係我唔可以話佢老啲，有少少成熟啲或者好似。越知道自己大嗰啲馬大咗，佢個身體語言就會話俾你哋聽。咁因為我成日對住佢咁其實我睇到佢已經開始個身體嗰度咧，個形狀嘅 confirmation 咧，開始有啲開始變咗少少，開始走入去路嗰個方面嘅啲嘅。
上年浪漫勇士贏咗香港杯之後遠征中多，今年個計劃係咪都係一樣？
正如Peter 啦、馬主劉柏輝先生都講咗一場一場計嘅。咁因為通常都做計劃嘅咧，就係劉柏輝先生做計劃，佢會同我哋講，佢會諗得好，佢會用深思熟慮呢4個字嚟話俾我聽嘅。如果當佢一講嗰時係我哋，因為我哋係馬主、驗馬師、騎師，我哋3個都係一個好嘅 team，即係大家都要互相信任。即係我10分100%對阿 Peter 佢個。會出嘅意見咧，我係100%。如果佢話去沙地阿拉伯，咁其實我已經準備咗㗎啦，即係去沙地阿拉伯。如果唔去，留喺香港我哋爭取北外遊氣泡嘅3冠咁，可能唔使隔咁多年，隔1年就個3冠馬王出現都唔定。呢啲視乎阿 Peter 俾個指示我哋。
浪漫勇士自復活以嚟，成哥都好多時同我哋記者或者傳媒講，都係佢已經成為咗長馬房一份子之後，都成為咗你家庭成員。咁我可唔可以同我哋分享下你對佢嘅感情，你對佢嘅情誼？
如果我自己入醫院咧，我就通常譬如我開刀，你知啊，我就叫我老婆車落個中大，我自己入醫院唔使探，我出院我打俾你，你就照我得㗎啦。但係對佢咧，少少嘢咧，我都覺得好緊張咯。即係我自己我唔會好緊張自己，但係對佢傷螺絲嗰日咧，真係差唔多想喊咁滯。即係見到佢 佢好痛嘅啫，我自己好痛，佢未必話好痛，我自己好痛。咁我覺得就係即係佢係俾咗好多，唔止係我啦，我諗好多香港人都俾咗好多歡迎香港人，同埋即係好多謝我團隊，即係個個都好，即係就算係而家放假接手做嗰個都係好盡心盡力去照顧佢。佢哋知就係話我哋好緊張啊，啲少少嘢我哋都唔想有任何一啲咁多做錯，即係我手教唔好同我講 sorry 嘅呢啲，即係我哋要記喺腦入邊，要做咗佢嘅，冇得講 sorry 嘅真係，唔好同我講對唔住啊乜，唔使講嘅，呢啲100%所有嘅心係要擺晒落去馬度咯。
非常之專業可以講馬房團隊可以買，無論喺香港，
唔係淨係佢嘅，其他都係，但係呢隻係零舍緊張嘅啫，呢啲咁樣係。
我哋再祝羅曼勇士繼續為香港爭光。
好，多謝你，
多謝發時，
多謝。